Hey everyone, it's Mike with Timbren Industries, and today I'm going to show you a must-have mod to go with your brand new deck drawer system. With your new drawers installed, you're ready to load your truck bed up with everything you need for the weekend. You've got your rooftop tent, your topper, and all the gear that you need, but all that weight adds up. You also might even have a trailer to tow. If that's the case, then you need a suspension solution that can keep pace with everything that you need to tow and haul. Timbren SES kits are the easiest way to safely and effectively handle all that extra weight. Each SES kit has a progressive spring rate, which means the harder you work your truck, the harder they work for you. With an SES kit installed, you can use that beautifully organized system, carry all your gear on top, and tow your trailer without your truck breaking a sweat. Now you can worry less and do more. Remember, each SES kit is backed by Timbren's 100-day money-back guarantee and their no BS lifetime warranty. Timbren has your back as long as you've got your truck. For more information, visit timbren.com. I'll see you next time.